Hello. So, you have a set of Core Adjustable Dumbbells like those back there? You know, like these? Well, you also want kettlebells like me? You can make one of these and turn your adjustable dumbbell set into an adjustable kettlebell set also. So here, let me just show you. Let me move the camera down to the ground. I'm gonna assemble it, show you how to turn this into a kettlebell, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more. Okay, got a nice shot of my hairy legs for you. Bare feet too. I got dressed up. So these are all the parts. This is what you need. This mechanism here to turn this into a kettlebell. So let me just go through it here first. This unscrews like that. Take that off, and then set your dumbbells to 10 pounds, and you can remove those little plates but leave these big guys. So each of these plates is 5 pounds. So, you know, adjust your weighting as needed, whatever you want. We'll do 20, I'll do 30 pounds here. So I'll take a couple from each. And what's kind of cool about these is how they slide and lock into each other. So that's just kind of a feature of the Core dumbbells that works well for this also. But you do have to then kind of get a little tricky there and make sure you slide them all together. Ooh. But they have a flat side, so they stand up, which is nice. Then you take your rod here, ooh, sounded dirty, and put it right through there. And flip this guy over. See where we're going with this? Turn this guy around here. Screw him on. Take your clippy clip here and slap that on there. And you got yourself a kettlebell. And this prevents the weights from coming up and everything. And there's your kettlebell. I just do swings with it. That's all I've ever really done. But you could do other kettlebell exercises with that, I would imagine. So let me bring it back up to my face. You don't have to look at these gams anymore, and I'll tell you a bit more about how to build this thing and all that stuff. Alright, welcome back up here. So I took some weight off just so it was easier to manage, but here is the whole situation. Oh, I gotta hold it up again. Alright, so basically this is just piping. What is this called? Just black pipe, essentially. I had to go to Grainger to get these sizes because they're not super common sizes, but I guess Grainger Pipe Supply or something like that is all it's called. Good God, it's heavy to hold up. I'm going to put it on my knee. So I'm going to kind of go over all the sizes of everything to fit. It just works so well because you have these adjustable weights from this adjustable dumbbell set with a hole in the middle, and they come off easy. So you might as well put them to use and do this kettlebell set. So I made this probably 6 months ago now or so, and doesn't damage. I haven't had any damage to the plates. Everything's still working fine and everything like that. So I don't guarantee it's gonna be good. Don't sue me, but everything's been good for me so far. So here's the deal. We'll work this way and we'll work down. So these are 3-inch length by 3/4 inch pipe, and so the inside is 3/4 inches diameter, so the outside's about 1 inch, so you can kind of get standard bike grips and cut them a little shorter and work those on there so you have kind of a nice grip to hold on to. So I thought that was good. I like these yellow ones here. Again, I'll just put links to all this stuff too if you want to just go and start buying it rather than listening to me, so we can do that. It's in the description. This little T here is just 3/4 to 1/4. So this is a 1/4 inch, I think 1/4 inch by 12 inch long pipe for this. That's what fits through the small hole in the weight system here. So, and then this is just a little clip. Got this at Home Depot for $1. That just goes, put it down there, and that prevents the weights kind of from coming up in your face as you're swinging them or anything. It just keeps them all you know, solid right there. So we'll take that off. Let me take this off real quick too to show you. So it just spins off. I did glue, so these are pipes that screwed into here under these grips. I glued those on. Didn't glue this, but let me show you. But I did glue this bottom flange on here too, so that so all that stuff is nice and sturdy on there. I just use Gorilla Glue, I think, for that, or maybe you could use JB Weld or something, that would work too. So you just have your 12-inch by 1/4 inch diameter pipe there, and then put a flange on the bottom to hold the weights down. And then you'll see there's kind of this extra lip here, and so that was an issue because it was kind of jamming into my weights. I wanted like a nice flat surface for the weights to sit on so that they wouldn't get damaged. So I went and got just 2 big thick washers from Home Depot, and those go on there. And as you can see, they just fit around that. And then if you can see, they're just slightly higher than that center, you know, circle, so that the weights, when they sit on it, they have a nice flat area to sit against there. And what's nice too is with those, it kind of gives me enough clearance where I could put it in this way if I want to, and it kind of sits inside of there, or you can put it on this side too. But I don't know, this side has kind of a weird dimple to it or something, so I tend to use this side, which seems a lot flatter. So here, let me show you actually. So this is, see how this goes right in there, and then those washers fit inside of this groove. So it's really a nice, you know, solid, well, it didn't sound solid, but it's a nice solid connection. That's about it. It's a pretty simple build, really. Some people have done these before with like the bigger, you know, weights that you put on like a barbell or something, but this works great for as I said, like the Core Adjustable Dumbbell set. And you could do, I mean, I guess you could go up to like, what, 90 pounds with all the circle weights. I've done 50 is the max that I've done, because look at that. I'm not going above 50. You know, I know who I am. I'm not kidding myself. So I don't know what the strength of this is, if this would ever start to bend or anything, but I haven't had any issues doing it with 50 pounds. I do 75 kettlebell swings 2 or 3 times a week, and I've done that for a few months, and it's been great. So that's it. Again, I'll have all the, you know, links to the stuff to buy, so you can just get it done with. I had to kind of experiment a lot with it to get the right stuff. Like the length of these handlebars, I got them as small as I could so that they can, well, you know, go between your legs without like ripping your legs apart on a kettlebell swing, but also big enough where you have a nice solid grip. So the 3-inch length is really what I thought was the best for me. I've seen people do smaller, but I feel like then you're kind of just, you don't have a full grasp. But this works. Sometimes it feels like I'm gonna rip my pants because it will catch on there, but it hasn't really happened, so it's fine. Yeah, that's it. I'll have the links. If you got questions, let me know. I can kind of help you out maybe, but it's really pretty simple, and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.